to activate Marks and Spencer credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Marks and Spencer credit card online. To activate your Marks and Spencer credit card online, you will need to follow the simple steps. First of all, open any web browser on your device of your choice. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the home page of the browser, on the address bar at the top, type the domain name bank.marksandspencer.com. Make sure you enter the correct keyword here. Once you type this keyword on the address bar, press the enter button to browse it. And once doing that, within a second you will be taken to the official website of Marks and Spencer. First of all we need to do is sign in to our internet banking. For that, at the top right, you will find the sign in button. Click on the sign in button and now you will be taken to a new page. Here you will find the login interface where in the first box you will have to enter your username, and if you want your username to be remembered for the future logins, you can click on this box to select it. Also make sure you don't use this feature on other computers apart from your personal. Now once you do so, you can click on this continue button and then you will be prompted to enter your password of your MNS internet banking. And once you are logged into your internet banking account, there look for the option manage cards, and under manage cards you will find activate a card. Select that option and you will be prompted to enter your credit card number, card verification value which is usually found on the back of your card, and possibly some personal information for verification. Follow all the additional instructions provided and then once you have completed the activation process, you should receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your Marks and Spencer credit card is now activated and it is ready to use. So by following these steps, you will be able to activate your Marks and Spencer credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.